In Datamolino, you can sort your documents into multiple folders to differentiate your transactions, making your workflow more automated and clear. Let's have a look at how that works. Depending on how you want to organize your documents, a folder in Datamolino can represent a company, client, or project. If you are a small business or freelancer who handles all finances under one roof, connecting one folder to one Xero organization is the usual approach. Suppose your company has multiple departments, projects, or locations. For example, retail companies, restaurant chains, or construction companies. In that case, you can differentiate your transactions by creating multiple folders and connecting them to the same Xero organization. This allows you to set different automation rules for each folder to save time on invoice coding. For example, different tracking categories can be used per project or branch. Decide who can see what information by inviting users to specific folders. Your clients don't have to send documents to you. Every folder has a unique email address to which they can send the documents directly. You also can move documents between folders. Having multiple folders in Datamolino saves time with more automation, has a clear structure, and increases visibility for your transactions. You can find more information on our help desk, and you can reach it by clicking on your initials in the top right corner.